In today's video on Viacoin, we're going to review the long-term history and check out the differences between this coin and some of the others to determine if it might be looking to be doing a bottom formation and potential for a turnaround and another big run up. Before we do the assessment, I'd like to invite you to join me over on digitalcurrencytraders.com, where you can join up and learn about cryptocurrency trading for free. And now back to the charts. Now this coin was pretty interesting in a difference in that throughout 2016, 2017, it laid pretty flat. We saw some big candles to the upside early, but it didn't turn into a big run upwards. Prices laid flat along here, and then when we saw some of the candles to the upside here in the bull run of 2017, this delayed back a little bit. Most things were running into highs in June and then a double high in July, but this one didn't go up until July, and that made a huge run up. Then it was very volatile, up and down and up and down, where most of the other coins made a lazy downtrend until November, December. This was really choppy and volatile. It followed along with the rest of the coins until January, and we can see some massive candles to the upside as the downtrend was setting in and most of the other coins were going down. So this really has the potential for some big popcorn trading moves. It made a bottom formation here March and April, a little bit of a run up in May, and again we can see the big candles to the upside as the people who really believe in this market were thinking it was going to really take off. Again in July, as we zoom in, we can see some big candles to the upside. Let's go to the 12-hour bars here. So people who believe in this market were buying this up like crazy, thinking that this is the time it's going to turn around. So we can see that it was a fake out breakout and prices continued on down. And it's important to say this 12-hour bar moving average did not cross over as prices were making this pattern. So let's zoom back a little bit, and it never did. It never did cross over here. Now prices have come down to the capitulation low here on the 13th of August, where many of the alts made a low on the 13th of August. This really spiked down, and that is good actually to see that capitulation low. People are giving up on the market. They were selling out of everything, and now it's made a potential bottom formation. So if we zoom into the 4-hour bars, we see that big spike down, and if we ignore that, we can call this a 1, 2, 3 bottom formation. We have 3 higher lows. At the same time, prices are at historical lows. So now it gives us a nice range for a breakout. Let's zoom back out to the 1 year, and we'll ignore some of these big spikes upward. And we can see this downtrend line along these tops is giving us a point of entry, especially as it's making a bottom formation now. If we zoom back out to see where is this bottom according to historical price levels, it has come back down here a number of times, which gives more credence to the fact that this could be a significant bottom where a turnaround could occur. And we know it makes some pretty fast runs upward, so I like to observe all of those things and then be prepared for when it does break above these levels. So it's not time for an entry for me. If I go back to the 3-month view, the moving averages haven't crossed over. The trend is your friend. It's in a downtrend. It hasn't shown a reversal of that yet. So it's time to get prepared because all of the alts are showing this potential bottom formation here. And of course, price breaks below these levels means to not get into a position or get out of the position that you have already. If you're liking this video, be sure to go over to digitalcurrencytraders.com and sign up, register for the free training. This remarkable free training series will leave you with the sense that you can do this with cryptocurrencies. You can follow these simple rules and experience consistent profits and success, even if you're starting out with nothing, even if you failed in the past. This free training will get you all you need to know about how to make Bitcoin, how to keep it, and how to grow it.